Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It's going to get pretty intense coming up here soon because of the big storm system building off the coast right now. You can see it right behind me looping. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is the color profile that pops up. When you see that purple developing, that is some very strong pressure. I've cut off all of the higher pressure surfaces here, and this is only essentially the lowest pressure areas, and you can see this thing is really strong and it's developing rapidly. It sticks around for a while too. I don't think it's quite hit the category yet, but this is almost a bomb cyclone coming up here, which means just a fast developing storm. It's really not that crazy. And that's attached to an atmospheric river. So check this out. This thing's going to stretch on by, hit our coast this evening with the arrival of that storm system. Then it points towards the south and returns right back towards the Pacific Northwest as we get into Friday. So 2 very high rainfall days ahead, and that's all getting powered by this big band of tropical moisture. It wraps up and around. That's what you call an atmospheric river. It's coming from very far away. Now, the most important thing for today is the gust strength. Watch the winds as we move from this morning into the impact of that storm system. The system comes around about 1 o'clock. That's the hour we're looking at here. And as it gets through the area, the acceleration in the winds just continues all the way into the evening. Highest winds should be close to about 9 o'clock tonight. Look at that, 51 miles an hour out in North Bend. Cottage Grove looking at 43 miles an hour. Going to be some sideways rainfall coming up pretty soon here. Also, we've got a winter weather advisory over the passes, and that's all the way through tomorrow morning. It gets pretty heavy for tonight. Look at that, 14 new inches of snowfall on the models. I don't think it'll be quite that high, but it certainly is going to be high. Stormcast here is going to show you, just like I was talking about, the arrival of the storm system comes through at about 1 o'clock, and then we've got rainfall the rest of the day. Particularly strong band of rain coming up close to about 9:30 here for the valley.